Is your 2009-2013 Toyota Corolla key fob not working? The most likely cause is a dead battery. Here's how to replace it. First, you'll need a CR1616 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on your key fob, usually on the side or back. Gently pry the case open, working around the edges to avoid cracking the plastic, which can become brittle over time. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity positive side up. Insert the new CR1616 battery in the same orientation. Finally, snap the case back together. If the case feels loose, use a tiny amount of superglue to secure the seam. Test the remote to ensure it's working. Replace the battery and the remote still doesn't work? Don't worry. First, double-check that the battery is correctly installed with the right polarity. Next, inspect the circuit board for any corrosion or debris. Clean gently with isopropyl alcohol if needed. Try resetting the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. If your fob has a mechanical key, make sure it isn't stuck. If the plastic case is cracked or damaged, consider using a 3D printed replacement case. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. If all else fails, consult a professional. But these steps resolve most common issues. Consider that in newer Corollas, batteries are becoming less common, and app-based controls are being put in their place. So the demand for these repair guides for older models is growing.